to create a quick release for your Ronin-S. The DJI Ronin-S is, it's something remarkable. I love it. It just makes life so much easier than having to assemble and disassemble the Ronin-M. What you're gonna need for the setup, you're gonna need a Manfrotto 323 quick release adapter. Right here, you can find this on Amazon. You're gonna need a flathead screwdriver. You're gonna need your Ronin-S hardware. You're gonna need a Ronin-S, of course, and whatever camera you want to use. Today I'm gonna use my Sony a7R III with an 85mm lens. So now I'm gonna show you how to create a quick release for your Ronin-S, so you don't have to remove this plate on and off every single time you remove your camera. You just gotta put your camera right on the quick release, lock it, rebalance for whatever lens, and you're good to go. This is your release. This is your lock right there. Just locks it and unlock it. Like that. That part goes in the bottom of your camera. This part goes right there. Like so. Right. Or like this, actually. Yeah. And then we're going to attach the screw to one of those screws right there. I'm going to remove one because I only need one on here. But we're going to attach this right to the top of that like that. You want to mount it where the lens go? Either way. My lens is facing this way. Mount it like that. This is a lock. Just locked in place. So when it's all done, it should look like this. Like that. There's your lock. Locks in place. Opens back up. Like that. It's in place. It's nice and snug. You got a piece on your camera, and you're gonna mount it in there. All right. So you like that. Put it in the gimbal like so. Snaps. Lock it. Should. So you just got to do a little balancing to get it to balance. We'll turn it on. That. It's not quite balanced, but when you want to take your camera off, all you gotta do, turn the gimbal off, hit the lock, it's off, like that. Put it back on, lock, gimbal on. Quick release, simple.